Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join LSSC company. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and here in the search bar, you need to search for LSSC Lightning. Then you will see this first link, so you need to simply click on it and you will be landed on the official website of lssc.com. Now over here you will see this join LSSC now button, so you need to just click on it and you will be landed on this contact us page. Now over here you need to provide your first name, then your email address in this section, and over here in this description box you will have to provide the information about why do you want to join lssc.com. After filling these details, you need to simply press send in the bottom and wait for some time until LSSC customer service executive or customer service assistants are going to contact you on the email that you have entered over here after for registration. Now by the time you get any information about them, you can just create your account here by clicking on this profile icon in the top right hand corner and clicking on the option of create account. You can just create your account here as well. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.